Snow? Gone. Stress? Poof. Meet the Westinghouse WSnow23 snow blower. Your winter MVP. Ever feel like winter is out to get you? 1 minute, you're cozy inside, and the next, boom, your driveway disappears under a mountain of snow. Enter the Westinghouse WSnow23 electric snow blower, the silent but deadly, to snow, machine that clears a 23-inch path like a snow ninja. With 800 pounds per minute of snow-chomping power and a 25-foot throwing range, this beast obliterates winter's worst with zero backbreaking effort. Plus, it's plug and play, no gas, no fumes, no drama. Just push a button, and whoosh, your driveway is back from the dead. Now, let's talk power without the hassle. This ain't your grandpa's clunky gas guzzler. With a 120-volt, 1,800-watt motor, this electric marvel packs the punch of a gas-powered unit without the headaches of fuel, oil changes, or deafening noise. The 180 degrees adjustable chute lets you sling snow exactly where you want it, not onto your neighbor's car, unless you owe them payback. And those 6-inch snow-grabbing wheels? They make maneuvering this bad boy so effortless, you might start looking for extra snow to clear. Late night snowstorms? No sweat. The dual LED headlights cut through darkness like high beams on a sports car, making those pre-dawn snow battles way less miserable. Plus, the soft grip handle keeps your hands comfy while you work. At just 30 pounds, this machine is light enough to handle like a dream but sturdy enough to crush serious snowfall. Say goodbye to struggling with a monster machine that's heavier than your car. Why throw your money at overpriced, overcomplicated machines when you can have the WSnow23, engineered for efficiency, tested for reliability, and backed by Westinghouse's 2-year warranty? It's a one-time investment that saves you years of shoveling, chiropractor visits, and regret. With a plug-and-go setup, you'll save time, save effort, and still get the cleanest driveway on the block, all while your neighbors struggle with their rusty old shovels. Bottom line? The Westinghouse WSnow23 is the superhero your winter routine has been missing. It's fast, powerful, and ridiculously easy to use. Snowstorms can try, but they won't stand a chance. Ready to make winter your playground? Click Add to Cart and let the WSnow23 do the heavy lifting for you.